Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share some life-changing secrets about showering. These tips have made a huge difference in my daily routine, and I can't wait to share them with you. Showering is more than just a daily habit. It's a ritual that can refresh your mind and body. When done right, it can set a positive tone for your entire day. First things first, get the water temperature just right. Lukewarm water is ideal, not too hot, not too cold. I used to love hot showers, but I realized they were drying out my skin. Choose gentle, natural products for your skin and hair. Harsh chemicals can strip away natural oils. I switched to sulfate-free shampoos and felt a noticeable difference. Exfoliating is key. Use a gentle scrub once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells. My skin felt so much smoother after I started exfoliating regularly. When it comes to shampooing, focus on your scalp. Massaging your scalp increases blood flow and promotes healthy hair growth. I saw my hair get healthier with this simple change. Apply conditioner mainly to the ends of your hair, avoiding the roots. This prevents your hair from looking greasy. My hair felt lighter and more manageable after making this adjustment. Keep your showers short, around 5–10 minutes. Prolonged exposure to water can dry out your skin. Shorter showers helped me maintain better skin hydration, and with a cold water rinse. It helps to close your pores and gives your hair a shinier look. It was a bit shocking at first, but now I love the refreshing finish. After your shower, pat your skin dry with a towel instead of rubbing. This prevents irritation and keeps your skin softer. My skin's texture improved significantly with this tip. Apply moisturizer right after you dry off. Your skin absorbs moisture better when it's slightly damp. This habit transformed my skincare routine. Use shower time for relaxation. Take a few deep breaths and let the water wash away your stress. It's my favorite way to unwind after a long day. Add a few drops of essential oils to your shower routine. Lavender or eucalyptus can create a spa-like experience. It elevated my shower routine to a whole new level. Clean your shower head regularly to prevent buildup and ensure a strong water flow. A cleaner shower head made my showers more refreshing. Don't forget about your feet. Use a pumice stone or foot scrub to keep them smooth. My feet feel pampered and soft with this extra attention. Use a hair mask once a week for deep conditioning. It gives your hair extra love and care. My hair became noticeably shinier and healthier. Rotate your shampoo and conditioner to prevent buildup. Switching products every few months worked wonders for my hair. Create a playlist of your favorite songs for your shower time. It makes the experience more enjoyable and energizing. My morning showers became much more fun. Invest in a non-slip shower mat to prevent accidents. Safety first. This simple addition gave me peace of mind. That's it for today's showering secrets. I hope you found these tips as life-changing as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and inspiration. Stay refreshed and radiant.